Hey guys, what's up? Lanchen here. Welcome back to another Galaxy tutorial. Today I'm working on a 4x4" flat canvas, the same one that I worked on in the last video. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to recreate this. It's called the Hubble Nebula, or NGC 7635. This image is pretty remarkable. It was caused by hot gas escaping into space from a star that's 45 times more massive than the sun. So I think it's definitely something that should be recreated. So I'm going to attempt to do that for you guys. These are the colors that I'm using. I got my blues, my purples, my yellows, and my white. So I have two different colors of yellow, a bright yellow and a yellow oxide, a turquoise primary blue, a medium violet, and a white. So I have three different sizes of flat-headed brushes, one round bristle brush, and all the rest are detail, and a star daughter. First thing I'm going to do is start with my turquoise. Now I'm going to bring in some white to lighten up the blue spots. So I did all the details in white first, and then I'm going to go back over it with my blue. I'm going to bring in my primary blue. I'm going to come back in with some white and turquoise for detail, blending, and then I'll add my yellow. I'm going to use a brown and yellow mixture instead to get the color that I want for these sections. I'm just bringing in some detail with my white. Some purple. I'm going to tweak some things and come back in with my turquoise in certain sections, and that's about it. Finally, I am adding the stars. that is it, guys. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at Lanchen Designs, or you can find my work on my Etsy page as well. Alright guys, I will see you next time.